Air purifier drama. 6 common pampering fails and how to dodge them. Ever accidentally broken a gadget at home? Or perhaps just completely neglected it to the point where it looks at you with sad electronic eyes? Let me guess. You tried to play Mr. Fix-It without picking at the manual first. Don't worry, I've been there too. But deep down, we both know that treating our home gadgets right extends their lifespan. And, well, air purifiers aren't any different. If you want them to fend off allergens, viruses, bacteria, and other nasties, avoid these 6 blunders. Fail number 1. Dirty filters galore. In the air purifier world, filters are the star players. Your pre-filter and HEPA filter snag dust, hair, allergens, and tiny invaders like bacteria. The activated carbon filter gets rid of stinky odors and harmful gases. But over time, after fighting off all the grime, filters become, well, grimy. Dirty filters means less purifying power, so give them a gentle vacuum or wipe down monthly. And for some filters, a water wash or machine wash might work, but always consult the manual. Fail number 2. Drowning filters that hate water. Not all filters enjoy a swim. Dunking the wrong one can mean its untimely end, and there goes your money. So, before giving any filter a bath, give that manual a glance.
Okay.
It will tell you what's safe. Fail number 3. Being clueless about filter changes. Over time, filters wear out and basically go on strike. To avoid this, keep an eye on your purifier's alerts. Most will give you a friendly nudge when it's time for a filter change, typically every 6 to 12 months. Remember that more use means more frequent changes. Fail number 4. Neglecting the air quality sensor. A dirty sensor gives off wonky readings or just quits. And then you're left guessing if you're breathing purity or gunk. Every 2 to 3 months, clean it with a cotton swab, soft cloth or gentle vacuum. That should do the trick. Fail number 5. Going on a dismantling spree. Got the urge to peek inside? Resist! Dismantling can lead to breaking parts or forgetting where they go. Do not wash the inside with water. A big no-no. Electronics and H2O aren't buddies. You might just kiss your investment goodbye. Fail number 6. Using Hulk power detergents. Your purifier's exterior doesn't need a chemical party. Gentle is the name of the game here. Stick to plain water. Harsh chemicals could harm both the device and, more importantly, you. Safety first. Always unplug before cleaning. And heed the manufacturer's wisdom in the manual. Some purifiers can be a bit demanding. If yours acts out and the manual offers no help, seek a pro. Do-it-yourself repairs might do more harm. Now you know how to make your purifier efficient, safe, and feeling loved. How is pampering your home purifier going? Any funny or facepalm moments? Got tips? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and good luck pampering your air purifier.